In this video, I'll show you the top 7 reasons why salons fail. You probably heard the crazy stat, 8 out of 10 salons close within the first 18 months. And it's not because of obvious reasons you think of, like bad location, hiring better stylists, poor salon management, or pumping more money into ads. In this video, I'm going to cover the real reasons salons fail and the steps you can take to avoid them. This video was actually inspired by a chat I had with a salon owner at the Hair and Beauty Expo. They asked me, why do so many salons close? What really happens? So today, we'll skip the cliche and break down the actual 7 reasons. More importantly, I'll show you the steps to avoid them so your salon grows instead of struggling. Reason number 1, salons fail: services that don't match local demand. Here's mistake number 1. Designing your salon services menu around what you think clients want instead of what they're actually searching for. If I were opening a salon today, I'd keep it simple. I'd open Google Keyword Planner, it's free by the way, and type in things like balayage, highlights, or men's haircut, but with my own city name. That instantly shows me how many people are searching every month. If 500 people are searching for balayage near me, but almost nobody is looking for perm, I know exactly which services should lead my menu. And once I know that, I make those services front and center of my salon Google profile and my salon website, with clear descriptions, real before and after photos, and exact keywords clients type in. Pro tip for you, if clients search ombre, I call it ombre, not sun-kissed blonde or something. That's how you make sure your services aren't just on trend, but actually match what people in your city want to buy. And now reason number 2 why salons fail: wrong pricing. Here's the scary part. I've seen salons fully booked, stylists busy all day, and the owner still broke at the end of the month. Why? Because prices don't cover the prime costs. In a salon, your prime cost is stylist time, hourly wages, taxes, benefits, and products like color, foils, treatments, disposables. Let's look at hair coloring, for instance. 3 hours of stylist time at 25 per hour is 75. Products, 25. Together, 100. Before you even look at overheads like rent, utilities, sound software, marketing, or your own pay. Charge 120 because that's what others do, and you're already behind. The rule that works is 1/3 goes to prime costs, 1/3 to overhead, and 1/3 is profit and your paycheck. So if a color costs you 100, the price needs to be closer to 300, and that's not great. That's how real salons stay open. Pro tip for you, a packed appointment book means nothing if your pricing doesn't add up. And now let's go to reason number 3 why salons fail: no plan or cash flow buffer. Most salon owners start with passion, but no real plan. The chairs are new, the team is ready, but the money runs out faster than expected. Rent, wages, stock, taxes, marketing, it all adds up. And here's the silent killer: overstocking retail. Shelves full of products look nice, but every unsold bottle is cash you couldn't use to pay bills. It's one of the biggest drains I see in salons. Here's what to do instead. Build 3 to 6 months buffer, just in case of a slow month. You can have your own savings or use a credit line. Then know your break even. If your monthly costs are at 16,000 and your average ticket is at 80, you need 200 clients a month or 50 a week just to survive. Then track weekly. Don't wait until year end. Simple revenue versus cost check each week helps you in control. Then stock lean. Only carry 2 weeks supply. If something hasn't sold in 3 months, stop ordering it. Sell in the chair. Teach your staff to recommend products during service so it becomes natural cross-selling, not just pushing retail at checkout. Tip for you: cash doesn't disappear overnight. It leaks slowly. A missing buffer and shelves full of dead stock are how good salons quietly run out of money. That brings us to reason number 4, poor first impression online. Here's another big one, your online presence. Clients don't just walk into salons anymore, they Google women's haircut plus city. If your salon doesn't show up, or your profile looks messy and outdated, they book somewhere else. Here's what to fix right now. Keep your Google profile fresh. Add photos weekly or monthly as long as you stay consistent and make sure Book Now works. Get reviews. Nothing builds trust faster. Ask happy clients on the spot or send a quick follow-up link after their visit when they're still in great mood because of their new hair. And by the way, you can fully automate this, plus push 5-star reviews to your Google profile with a good salon software. Something to check out for you. Also, highlight your best services and before and afters. Don't bury them on page 3 of your salon website. Tip for you, branding isn't just your logo. It's showing up online in a way that makes people instantly know what you do, what you're good at, and why they should choose you. Reason number 5 why salons fail? High staff turnover. Nothing drains a salon faster than losing a good stylist. Because when they leave, clients usually follow. If a stylist brings 6K a month in sales and walks out, you don't just lose a person, you lose a big chunk of revenue. Add in recruiting, training, slower service, and the damage adds up fast. How to fix it? Invest in training. Even one class a year keeps staff motivated and clients excited. Build a positive culture. Recognition, flexibility, and fair pay matter more than you think. Protect your client list. Make sure all bookings and records stay in your system, not on stylist phones. Pro tip: stylists rarely leave just for money. They leave because they feel stuck, unappreciated, or see no growth. Keep them happy and you keep your clients. Reason number 6, low client retention. Here's a number that shocks many owners. It costs 5 times more to get a new client than to keep an existing one. But so many salons spend all their energy chasing new clients, discounts, ads, marketplace fees, while ignoring the ones already sitting in the chair. How to fix it? Always rebook before they leave. Train stylists to lock in the next visit during checkout. Automate reminders. SMS or email keep clients coming back and reduce no-shows. Reward loyalty. Offer some points that your clients can exchange into additional services. That will help you promote more services, increase your ticket, and avoid discounts. And take client feedback seriously. Always seriously. Tip for you: if less than 60% of clients come back, you don't have a marketing problem. You have a retention problem. Reason number 7, do it all. Finally, the do-it-all trap. I see salon owners trying to be stylist, manager, receptionist, social media manager, bookkeeper, everything. At first, it feels like you're saving money, but in reality, you burn out. And when you burn out, your staff and clients feel it. How to escape it? Use salon software. Automate bookings, reminders, deposits, and even reviews. Delegate smartly. A part-time assistant or receptionist can free you to focus on growth. Run with systems. Weekly reports on rebook percent, client retention, and retail sales give you control without micromanaging. Tip for you: a salon that only works when you're behind the chair isn't a business, it's a job. Build systems so it can run without you. Work smart, not hard. So why do salons fail? It's not bad stylists, it's not location, it's not lack of fashion. It's these 7 reasons: the wrong services, broken pricing, no plan, weak online presence, high staff turnover, low client retention, and the do-it-all trap. The good news, now you know them, and you've got simple steps to avoid them. My advice: take one action today. Google your salon right now. Check how you show up. Look at your reviews and make sure clients can book instantly. That one step alone will tell you more about your salon's future than any ad campaign. And now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you want us to help you with pricing, reviews, or getting your salon to the top of Google. Stick around because I've got more practical salon business tips coming, all about growing without burning out.